Alright, so this is what we have here. I took everything out the box. So I'm going to toss everything back into the box. Looking at the manifest here, there's only one item that we have an exact multiple. All of the rest of them are individual, unique items. The only thing that concerns me a little bit are these like legging print-on jean kind of pants. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to sell those. It says on here that those things sell for $48, but I don't see how that goes. But maybe at some other store. I guess on this manifest it says that these are uninspected returns. I didn't see that before. So now I have to go through all of this and separate it up because I'm going to have my listers help me with it. I thought it was supposed to be 51 items, but when I put numbers to the side of the manifest, oh yeah, it is 51 items because there's 3 of one item. If you notice, right there, 3 of the leggings, blue, and animal print. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how all this thing goes. This looks pretty interesting. These seem to be bigger sizes, so that's kind of good because I feel like I can sell the bigger sizes faster. Some of the clothes seem to be like winter clothes though, so maybe it's good to get them up now, and then by the time Christmas comes, people will be buying it for them or themselves or as a gift. So yeah, the plan is to finish checking all this stuff in, make sure it's all here, and then give some to my 2 listers. And I still have to go through all the stuff that I purchased on Memorial Day holiday. So I have a lot of work to do. I'm still not feeling too good, still a little under the weather. So yeah, I gotta figure this out and get with it. Well, I was going to do a little bit of a haul, I guess, of this bulk order. So let me go ahead. I kind of did one that I uploaded the other day, but while I'm checking this off, let's just go through a few more items and see what we have. So this is new with tags WDNY, and it's like a vest shirt. Doesn't appear to have any flaws except for it has some lint on it. It's a really nice knit vest, 2X WDNY vest. So it'll be perfect for like work or Christmas time or whatever. And so on the manifest it says that this particular item retails for $40, and it is new at tags. So I'll probably list it for about $40, I guess. I don't know. I'm still learning the pricing. It's so difficult. I'm not really sure exactly how you're supposed to do it. Or how to go about doing it when it's new at tags. Like me, I like to always give people a bargain. But sometimes, you know, I gotta make sure I make my money too. So I'll probably list it for $40 since, well, it retails for $40. It is new at tags still, so maybe $35, $30. Just to put it on discount, and with free shipping. I think with all of these items I'm going to try free shipping because a majority of my items on eBay are plus shipping. So if they buy it at $15.99, you have to add shipping to it, and sometimes the customers really don't like it because depending on where they're at, it can fluctuate. So I think with all of these items I am going to do free shipping. So we'll see how that goes, how much money we make. That's why I want to get through this manifest and kind of put an item number to it already so that when my lister does it, she could add this number at the end of her number that I tell her to create, because I have them create separate ones that kind of distinguish the who's listing what. So yeah, that's one item. 862. I think I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is because they're already all They're already on bags, so I think I'm gonna label them with some Scotch tape, like this, or whatever this is called, and then put a number, and then put how much it retails for, so that when I go to price it, I know how much it retails for. But I also have my manifest here that I'm writing on, so either or, I guess. Alright, so this next item looks like it's a pair of jeans. It's Kate and Mallory skinny leg jeans, and let's see if I can find it on the manifest. 8205. Alright, found it. So on the says boot cut. So on the manifest it says it's a large and a deep berry color. Excuse me. It says it's a large and a deep berry color, but on the sticker label on the package it says it's a 3X Kate and Mallory skinny jeans. So I'm definitely gonna open it and see what it is. Alright, so whoa, these are 3X. 3X skinny jeans. They're pretty massive. Can't even. So I had to abruptly cut off that video because I was really sick. That was months ago. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.